Everyone. So some of you may have seen this. I tweeted this yesterday. What I'm doing is I'm building a website right now. I know this looks confusing. So basically I've done a lot of work on my channel. I have a lot of information. I'm just in the process of going through it and making sure everything is accurate, making sure everything is backed and has the references added. It's a lot, but I want to utilize it for the, quote unquote community, for those that want to learn a little bit more. So basically it would function as this, like this would be the main folder here, and then you have an agencies section, and then in there it breaks down the DTCC, PCAOB, FINRA, OCC, all the SROs, basically everything related to an industry, like the Treasury, Fed Reserve. It will have all that, and then it will have the filings for each one of those, data sets for each one of those, and then anything else related that I can muster. Not sure how long this will take me, but I just wanted to let y'all know that I will be working on this. That's why I haven't been putting much videos out lately, on top of there not being much to talk about. So I'm putting this together, and hopefully when it's all done, it will be very easily navigated, and it will help people learn the areas they're having trouble with. So this is just, I've done about a couple hours of work on this, and it's a big ordeal. This is maybe about a fifth of all the content I have. Now, the documents here, so this is an example. Like you'll go to the website, you'll click on it, and then in agencies here, you'll notice that you have all the different types of, all the different types of filings. You got MIAX, ICC, Fixed Income Clearing Corporation, FINRA, Depository Trust Company, and so forth. So what I'm asking for, I need, if anyone out there has a skill set in illustration and or webmastering, please reach out and let me know. You can reach me on Twitter at Charlie1337420, or you leave a comment. I'll try to reply to it. But yeah, I need someone to help me organize this and get it out there in a way that will benefit everyone. So if you have that skill set, please by all means reach out. I got a lot of stuff in here, so slight autism would be I'll be hopeful that you'll also be slightly autistic to help me with this. But yeah, I appreciate it, and hopefully this will benefit the entire community, quote unquote community. Have a good one. I should have this done hopefully in a week.